We started with a foundation of asking ourselves, how can we do this without the use of chemicals? And that all feeds into a more complex relationship where we're talking about soil health, plant health, animal health, and then ultimately human health. And it's all tied together. I'm Casey Wish, and I own Longson Farm with my husband, Justin. We have Piper, who's 3.5, and then we have Boone, who just turned 2. And we have another boy in the way who's due here very, very soon. The kids have fresh air and endless activities. There's always purpose out here. Our farming operation has been growing over the last few years. We're in year 6 of production. We produce pastured pork, beef, chicken, and duck eggs. One of the things that we pride ourselves in is in the fact that we produce food for our community. Once COVID hit, all of a sudden people had more time, and we saw a huge amount of increased traffic that would come out and shop at our farm store. The store is traditionally a cash or check-based store, and we needed to explore ways that we could take payment options that were contactless. So the PayPal QR code is used in our farm store as a way to take touch-free payments from our customers. Folks were able to use their own digital devices, use that secure option to pay us directly for the products that they were buying.
It felt especially safe, quick, easy.
We are seeing about 70 to 80% of our farm store transactions are going through the PayPal QR code at this point in time, which is a very dramatic shift for us. But there's a lot of people that have been coming to our store for many, many years that have always paid with check that are now paying with PayPal. We're lucky that we get to raise our 3 kids on the farm. We're very hopeful that it instills a great sense of responsibility in our kids. We are not just sustaining, but we're growing.